I'm Professor Pi. Welcome to my daily mathematical adventures. Hey, don't forget me. I'm Cowboy Rufus. I'm your favorite student. This is part 5 in our series. This is the performance event. The performance event should take most students 35 to 40 minutes. This is an untimed test. The more information you can put in each of these boxes, the better off you'll be, because they grade not only your right answer, they grade your equation, they grade your justification, and so they want to see quite a lot of information in these boxes. The performance event might mean that you have to go back to page 1 when you get to problem 4 to get information from 1 or 2 or 3 to work problem 4. Tony moved to a new house and wants to find and install a pool and landscape and yard. He hires a company to manage the landscaping. Tony's considering company A or B. There's the score, the prices for company A and B. We'll have to come back to that. Tony is reseeding the front lawn. The lawn covers 2,500 square feet, and the grass seed is $15.98 for a bag with 7 pounds of grass seed. Each pound of grass seed covers 150 square feet. How much will it cost to reseed the lawn? Show all your work. Enter the cost of the work in the box. Once again, in that box in the performance event, they need to see all your work. Tony wants to cover a yard that's 2,500 square feet. Bags have 7 pounds and cost $15.98. Each pound, not a bag, but each pound covers 150 square feet. So we start by dividing 2,500 by 150, and we get 16.6 pounds. Round that up to 17 pounds. Then we divide 17 by 7, because there's 7 pounds in a bag, and we find out that we get 2.4. But if you run down to Lowe's and you buy, and you want 2.4 bags of something, they're going to look at you very strange. You can't get 2.4 bags of anything. You can get 3 bags. And 3 bags at $15.98 will cost us $47.94. Bring out your calculator and check and make sure that all that's correct. It says the following question has 3 parts. First part A, second part B, and they want them in the squares once again. Show all your work in the square. Compare the landscaping cost between company A and company B, and let C represent the landscaping cost in dollars, and S the yard in square size. Write an equation to model what it would cost if A was hired. Enter the equation in the box. Let's start with part A. We do division, price divided by feet, and you get 0.025 or 2.5 cents a foot. So our equation is C equals 0.025 S, or 2.5 cents per square foot. Put that in blank A. Now we take company B and find the slope. We take the first 2 points and find the slope. We get 23 minus $16 divided by 900 minus 400. Just like we had it before, we want price over feet, price per foot. So 23 minus 16, 900 minus 400, divide it out, and you get 0.015 company charges per, they get 1.5 cents per foot plus a set amount. We got to go find our set amount. 16 minus 0.015 times 400, which is $6. 16 minus $6, the set amount for company B is they get $10 plus 1.5 cents per square foot. So our equation is C equals 0.015 times S plus 10. Put that in blank B. Blank C wants to know at what size yard is going to be cheaper for us. We put 2,500 square feet into each equation for X. And on the company A, equation 1 gets us $62.50. When you put 2,500 in for equation 2, company B, you multiply that times 0.015 times that 2,500 plus 10, you'll find out they charge you $47.50. They are cheaper. So our answer C is company B is going to be cheaper for our size yard. Question number 3 wants to know at what place would they be equal? So we're going to set equation 1 equal to equation 2, and we're going to solve that. Cowboy, I told you to cut off that cell phone. Turn it down. So you set the two equations equal to each other. 0.025s equal 0.015s plus 10. And you get 0.01s equal 10. So S is equal to 1,000. If you had a 1,000-foot square yard, they would be equal. Now let's go back up and get the last one, which is 4. 4 says he's going to make a little swimming pool. He's going to surround it with concrete. Tony's installing a rectangular pool in the backyard. The pool needs to have the length of 10 feet more than the width. The backyard is square shaped and each side measuring S feet more, 5 more feet than 3 times the width of the pool. Find the expression for each area surrounding the pool and the pool installed. That is, we want to know after the pool's there, we want to know how much is the sidewalk going to be. Tony's pool, W for width and W10 for length. So the area of Tony's pool would be W squared plus 10W. The yard is square. It is 3W plus 5. So 3W plus 5 times 3W plus 5 becomes 9W squared plus 30W plus 25. Take a minute, FOIL that. First, outer, inner, last, and make sure I got 9W squared plus 30W plus 25. Go ahead, FOIL it. I'll wait. Nod your head when I'm right. So now all we got to do is take the area of the pool and subtract it from the area of the backyard because it's all going to be concreted in. So our equation is 9W squared plus 30W plus 25 minus W squared plus 10. So our answer is 8W squared plus 40W plus 25. Now go back and don't just put the answer in that box. Put everything in that box that you just did in problem P4. Write it out. Tony's pool, the width is W plus 10 is the length. So you write, let W be Tony's pool width. Let W plus 10 be the length. As much stuff as you can cram into that square, the better off the grading process will be, even if you miss the answer by a little bit. Now that concludes our 5th part. Please study, because if you don't pass this, big bad things are going to happen at the end of the year. Thanks for watching another Professor Pi video. Yeah, y'all come back tomorrow. Cowboy Rufus and Professor Pi will teach you something new.